Hey Queen! In today's video we will make dynamite shrimp in 2 different sauces and crab salad. So let's start by preparing the crispy fried shrimps. You will need shrimps, flour, corn flour, breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, soy sauce, and salt. Mix 400 grams of flour with 4 tablespoons of corn flour. In a big bowl, crack the 2 eggs and add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of salt and start whisking. Place the shrimp first in the flour mixture and make sure it's well coated from all sides. Shake off the excess, then dip it in the eggs mixture. Afterwards, coat it with breadcrumbs and place it aside. Now repeat the same process with all of the shrimps. Heat the oil on medium heat for deep frying. You can check if the oil is heated enough for deep frying by dipping the handle of a wooden spoon into the oil. If the oil starts bubbling, then it's hot enough for frying. Drop the shrimps gently into the oil and fry them for 10 minutes or until they turn golden brown. For this sauce, you will need French dressing and sriracha sauce. I added 4 sriracha tablespoons to 7 tablespoons of the French sauce. But if you want your sauce to be extra hot and spicy, you can add more sriracha. Now dip the fried shrimps in the sauce and place them in your serving plate or bowl. I used the rest of the sauce for these fried chicken tenders. For the second sauce, you will need sweet chili sauce, mayonnaise, and sriracha. Add 3 tablespoons of each one of the 3 ingredients and mix. Now for the Russian crab salad, you will need mayonnaise, crab sticks, rice, sweet corn, boiled eggs, and salt. Start by chopping the eggs and the crab sticks into small bite-sized pieces. For 5 boiled eggs, I added 8 crab sticks, 7 tablespoons of corn, 4 tablespoons of rice, 2 tablespoons of mayo, and 1 teaspoon of salt. But of course, you can add more of any ingredient. Mix them all together and your salad is ready to be served. And there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for more recipes. Till next week, queens!